Meet Ronald. He grew up with a father that played the guitar at home and a mother that had a popular band in the 70s. Ever since he was a child, he played around with amplifiers, microphones, and today, he makes a living out of engineering sound for up-and-coming bands.
Tonight, Ron's band is going to play a venue for about 1,000, 2,000 people. Big stage, full band. After the show, Ron's going to accompany the frontman of the band for an after show. And the after show is going to be a different venue in the same town. It's going to be small, it's going to be acoustic, intimate. We'll talk about that in a minute. Let's first go and check on Ron as he is setting up his G4 wireless set for full band.
For a full band performance, Ron likes to use the Evolution Wireless G4 500 series. The 500 series impresses even the most critical professionals in multi-channel applications. The 500 series comes with a true diversity half-rec receiver in a full metal housing. Synchronization between transmitter and receiver is easy and flexible because of a refined infrared connection.
Now, the Evolution Wireless G4 500 series comes with a transmission range of more than 100 meters. That's more than 330 feet. It carries up to 32 compatible channels, which means that if circumstances are good, you could have 32 wireless instruments, wireless vocal microphones, in-ear monitors, you name it. Anything that is used wirelessly on stage, you could have 32 of those operating alongside of each other. The backlit infrared technology makes it very easy to sync, even when it's dark on stage. And the Evolution Wireless G4 500 series offers 88 megahertz bandwidth, 3,520 selectable frequencies, all fully tunable in a stable UHF range.
Thanks to the Ethernet connection for wireless system manager control software, Evolution Wireless G4 makes it quite easy for advanced frequency coordination in a multi-channel setup.
And thanks to the high RF output power, which goes up to 50 milliwatts, adjustable in 3 steps, 10, 30, and 50 milliwatts, depending on the country you're working in, you will get the best possible audio signal transmission in your setting.
The Evolution Wireless G4 500 series is available in several sets. The Evolution Wireless 500 G4 935 comes with a cardioid dynamic 935 capsule on a handheld vocal microphone, where the Evolution Wireless 500 G4 945 comes with a super cardioid dynamic 945 capsule. The Evolution Wireless 500 G4 965 carries a handheld vocal microphone with a condenser 965 capsule. The Evolution Wireless 500 G4 MKE2 includes a body pack transmitter rather than a handheld microphone with a lavalier. And the Evolution Wireless 500 G4 CI1 comes with jack cables to connect instruments rather than a microphone.
Now, as we said, after tonight's full band performance, there's going to be an after show. The frontman of the band is going to perform a solo, acoustic guitar, vocals, in a small club nearby. Now, while Ron is waiting for the band to come in for sound check, he's going to hop over to the club to check in for the after show.
As the frontman will be performing a solo on a stage that is small and intimate, he won't need a far range, nor will he need more than 3 to 4 channels for a setup. So, where Ron chooses to work with the Evolution Wireless G4 500 series for a full band on a big stage with extra musicians and in-ear monitors, for smaller stages, he'll be using the 100 series.
The G4 100 series offers you a transmission range of up to 100 meters, which is more or less 330 feet, which is plenty for an intimate show like this. The system offers 20 compatible channels, so there is room for other musicians to join in, if need be. And there is 42 megahertz of bandwidth. There's 1,680 selectable frequencies, all fully tunable in a stable UHF range, and the output power is 30 milliwatts.
Both the Evolution Wireless G4 500 series and the Evolution Wireless G4 100 series come with true diversity half-rack receivers in a full metal housing. Though the 100 series comes with an intuitive LCD display for full control, where the 500 series comes with an OLED display.
And as you can see, it is very easy to sync receivers with transmitters. All you have to do is hit the sync button, then hold receiver and transmitter close, facing each other, and boom, that's it. Very simple. That's because of the infrared technology that is on board. Also, the 100 series offers fast frequency allocation for up to 12 receivers via its new linking function. Again, a function that is extremely simple to execute, and an intuitive menu will help you with this. Just like the 500 series, the 100 series comes in several sets.
You could go for the Evolution Wireless 100 G4 with a handheld microphone. You have a choice out of 5 different capsules. The 835 capsule is a dynamic capsule. The 845 is a supercardioid, and the 865 is a condenser capsule. Finally, you could choose the 935 and the 945. They offer the cardioid and supercardioid pickup pattern of the Evolution 900 series. All these microphones have an on-off switch. Keep in mind, when the red light is on, you're good to go. When it's off, it means that the microphone is on mute. Second option of the 100 series is the Evolution 100 G4 ME2 kit, which comes with a body pack and an omnidirectional ME2 lavalier microphone, rather than a handheld. The Evolution Wireless 100 G4 ME3 includes a body pack and the ME3 headset, rather than a lavalier microphone. And the Evolution Wireless 100 G4 ME4 includes a body pack plus a lavalier with a cardioid capsule. And then we have the Evolution Wireless 100 G4 CI1. It comes with jack cables for instruments. And the Evolution Wireless 100 G4 ME2 835S comes with both a lavalier and a handheld microphone, carrying an 835 capsule.
As you can see, there are many sets available, and it's up to you to decide whichever set serves you best. Time to get back to our main venue, because the band has arrived and is getting ready for sound check. On stage, the band plays with in-ear monitors. Evolution Wireless G4 now offers its own series of in-ear monitoring equipment. We'll dive into that in a following episode, specially dedicated to IEM. We'll tell you why and where and how to set up and how to get the best out of your IEM system. That's for later. Right now, let's get these guys ready to rock the stage.